this is Ratchet today we're gonna play Master Second Time. And the first other video, good for you. And as I said, we'll be playing True Destruction tomorrow because it's so freaking, it's really late. Oh, really late. I even should be turning my PlayStation off because it's getting hot. It's really hot. I just have to do a goddamn fan. Alright, I'm gonna make space time. Okay, so let's just try. This song is really good. Yeah, Ratchet and Clank. So, don't ask why I have this armor. Please don't ask. Please don't. Oh, I have a message for Gaming Rekt, my good friend. I have a PlayStation 4, but we're not using it yet. Yeah, we're not using it yet. Oh, wait, who actually access? Yeah, it's Gaming Rekt. Two people access. I have a PlayStation 4. It was on the Big Bang Gamer, and yeah. I was like, yeah, we're Gaming Rekt too. Dude, I'm playing already. Talking to my fans here. Oh my god. Oh shoot, 70 health sucks. Kinda. Yeah! Wow! I don't want to end like that. First again. Dude, guys, you know I got a glitch before while I was on recording? I thought I glitched that I actually died because he punched. I didn't really die, he actually just punched me. Wow. That is just sad. This sucks and blows. This sucks. That sucks and blows. That's the worst I've ever done. That ain't good. That is so terrible, bro. Oh, alright, and then you name your poison. Oh, frick, these are bad. Oh, jeez, this is name your poison. I'm like this. And plus, so if you heard this song, this is actually the battle pipe. So if you don't know Ratchet and Clank, you better play it. You should buy it. Well, it's on the PlayStation 4 and the PlayStation 3 and the PlayStation 2 and 1. Now I'm gonna be quiet because I need to concentrate. Why is he still taking damage? Dude, I almost ate like so much health. How did he take damage? Alright. One more challenge. One. How the frick did he take damage still? When you beat something, you didn't take damage. That's not fair. Oh. I can't hold this camera freaking forever. I shouldn't let my mirror recording. But I didn't want to. Oh, freaking that actually scared me. Nope. No, I told you all again. Oh god. Look at the way his armor looks though. Wow. Look at his armor. The armor looks so cool, right guys? If you want me to buy armor, I'm never buying armor. So don't even tell me what to do. I will never buy armor in my life. Never. I'm not buying no more armor. I don't like buying armor. That's my body armor. I can't like change it. I know you can't really change it like some Ratchet and Clank games you could. Like Ratchet Deadlock. And why is that guy walking? That guy was actually walking. He was walking. You know he was like trying to kill me. That guy was walking. There we go. Yeah, I love this game. I like to play the Ratchet and Clank a second time, or maybe not. Oh yeah, and guys, I have bad news. We're gonna have to skip the cutscenes because when my PlayStation is not working good, it's always hot. I'm the king of the world. I won. I'm Ratchet. I'm actually like second time Ratchet. So I will show you this armor. Wow. Okay. I will show you my armor. Let me just show you right now. Here you go. Here it is. The Hollow Flux armor. You can read it if you want. You could actually read it because I'm looking at my screen right now. I'm giving you guys time so you actually read it. Yeah, I think you guys are done reading it. So the Hollow Flux armor that's the armor you start with. That's what you start with in the game. But yeah. So yeah. Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe and I'll see you later. Peace out, my amigo.